you see this? That just means I got some bomb ass makeup for you. What is up, peoples? I am Tia with Tia's Makeup, and today, as you could tell, baby, I got some bomb ass makeup for y'all. So without further ado, let's slide. So first off, I would like to say, please do not mind this bonnet on top of my head. Please do not cover me. But first, I'm going to apply my concealer. It's the Concealer by LA Colors. I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelids. And blend that out with my beauty blender. Make sure that is nice and wet. Okay, so after all my concealer is applied, I'm going to take this Colorworks palette and I'm going to go ahead and dig into this brownish color right there and apply that into my crease with my blend brush I have here. I'm sorry about that transition there, guys. My phone was about to die and we cannot have that. So again, I'm going to take that blending brush and I'm going to go in again with that brown color. There it is, the blending brush, and apply that into my crease. And I'm going to go ahead and try to make that brown as dark as I can get it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my eye crease brush, which will probably work better if I show you guys the name. But there it is right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab that same palette, yes, that same palette, and use the black. Just in case you guys are like, girl, what are you using? I am using my Sephora mirror that I broke in half. Not on purpose, I promise. So please do not come for me. But I'm going to take that black and I'm going to put it directly in the crease. Not blending it out just yet. Just trying to make that line as dark as I can. And then I'm going to take my blending brush that I use for the brown. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. Check yourself out and girl, yes, run a man on a beat, run a man on a beat, yes. Do a little bit more blending and yes, girl, yes. So next we're gonna go ahead and grab that concealer and cut the crease. Blend, blend, blend. And there we go. We cut that. Now we just have to blend. Wait, where's my beauty blender? Oh, okay. And just like that, girl, you is snatched. Period. So next, I'm gonna take my Oh Honey palette by NK. I got this at a beauty supply store. I'm gonna take that orange color at the bottom. didn't show you guys, but I'm applying it with the flat brush, and I got that from Walmart as well. I think it came with another brush, and it was like a duo pack. And I'm gonna apply this to the very, very beginning of my eye, just until it's about to reach the middle. So now I'm gonna go back into that Colorworks palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab that orange color at the bottom right, and I'm gonna apply that with that same brush that I just used to apply the yellow. Oh, now Tia, you wanna show them the brushes, but it's okay because everything will be down below. And I'm gonna apply that just before I hit the third of the eye. Last but not least, I'm going to take my Lucky Charms palette, and I'm going to take that green right there at the bottom left, and I'm going to apply that to that last part of that little eye. That face though. Girl, you know you is lying. But next I'm gonna go into that Colorworks palette again and take that same orange and just blend out the middle. Now for the finishing touches. I'm gonna take that black and I'm gonna go ahead and darken up that crease some more. After that, I'm gonna go back in with that brown blending brush that I use for the crease, and I'm gonna go and blend that black out some more. So next I'm going to use my Maange palette. This one I got from Wish. And the color I'm going to use from there is called Pumpkin. This palette has so many beautiful highlight colors. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that with using my pinky finger. So for under the eye, I'm going to go ahead and use that same flat brush that I used to apply the colors on my lid. And I'm going to go in with that color that we used on the very end, that green, and apply that under the eye. Next, I'm going to take the black and I'm just going to darken up the green on the outer corner. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I like my inner corner to pop. Oh, crrr. Now, to over-exaggerate this look, I was going to put on some eyelashes, but girl, we ain't got time for that. Honestly, I didn't feel like doing my eyebrows either, so I just popped some eyebrow gel on those bad boys. So this next part is my personal favorite. What I'm going to do is just apply the mascara. And this mascara is the best that I found in Walmart so far. And it's called Great Lash by Maybelline. So that is that, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this other eye off camera, and then I'll return to y'all guys in a minute. Okay? Okay. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking through this past video, because I didn't expect it to take this long, honestly, because it didn't take me this long last time. But please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my social media down below. I will be taking pictures with this makeup and posting it on my Instagram. I'm thinking about making a Instagram little tutorial slideshow thingies that be doing the makeup. So if y'all want those, I think I'm gonna have a little vote on my Instagram. So go ahead and follow and DM me or whatever your yes or no's, and I will gladly get back to that. Thank you, and bye.